Tired of plain old bullet points when you need a checkable box in your Word documents? Let's transform your checklists into professional visual cues in under 90 seconds. First, we'll explore the quickest way using character codes. Navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your Word window in the Symbols group, click on Symbol, and then select More Symbols. In the Symbol dialog box, head over to the Special Characters tab, scroll down until you find the umquad symbol, which often looks like a small square. Select it and click Insert. See Instant Square Box. Now, let's look at another method, using the extensive symbol library. Stay in the Symbol dialog box but go back to the Symbols tab here. You can change the font. Try selecting Wingdings from the font list. Scroll through the Wingdings font. You'll find a variety of useful symbols. Look for the square symbol. Once you find it, click Insert. And there it is. Wingdings offers a whole range of icons you can use this way for checkboxes. You can search for other symbols in Wingdings or even in fonts like Webdings. Remember these methods for creating clear, visually appealing checklists or adding other graphical elements to your Word documents. Experiment with different fonts and symbols to find what best suits your design needs.